Like, how do you, multiply decimals?
This is how you multiply decimals.
So let's say we have this problem. 22.9 times 4. So to multiply decimals by whole numbers, we would just multiply like usual. So 9 times 4 equals 36. Carry the 3 and then put down the 6. And then we would multiply 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 3 equals 11. So carry the 1 and then put down a 1. And then 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. And then you count how many decimal places there are. In this number, there's only 1. So you just put a little loop there. Put an arrow that says 1, like that. And then there is no decimal place in with a whole number. So you draw an arrow and then put 0. And so then you add the two together. 1 plus 0 equals 1. And then you have to move the decimal point from here to here. And so you get your answer, 91.6. Now that we know how to multiply whole numbers by decimals, we can now learn how to multiply decimals by decimals. So let's say we have this problem, 22.9 times 4.2. So, like when we did multiplied with whole numbers, we just multiply like usual. So 9 times 2 equals 18. Carry the 1 down the 8. And then 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. So put down the 5. And then 2 times 2 equals 4. Put down the 4. And then hold the place with a 0. And then 4 times 9 equals 36. Put down the 6. Carry the 3, put down the 6. And then 4 times 2, down the 6. And then 4 times 2 plus 3 equals 11. Carry the 1, put down the 1. And then 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. So now what we have to do is add them together. So 8 plus 0 is 8. And then 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry the 1, put down the 1. And then 4 plus 1 equals 5. Plus 1 equals 6. Put down the 6. And then just 9. Now we have, like when we multiplied with whole numbers, we have to count how many decimal places there are. In 22.9, there's only one decimal place. So we count the number, draw an arrow, and put how many decimal places there are. And so in this case, there's only 1. Then in 4.2, there's 1 decimal point. So we draw an arrow and then put a 1. And then we add them together, and we have 2 decimal places. So we have to move the decimal point from here and over 2 places. And then our final answer is 96.18.
Now you know how to multiply decimals.
Thank you, teacher, for teaching us how to multiply decimals.